Let's proceed to MCQ number 7. If exercise time and BMI have R is equal to negative 0.85, this suggests A. More exercise is linked to lower BMI. Letter B. More exercise is linked to higher BMI. Letter C. No relationship exists. Letter D. BMI and exercise are unrelated. Number 8. When interpreting persons are, which range indicates a moderate positive correlation? A. 0.7 to 0.9. Letter B. 0.4 to 0.69. Letter C. 0.10 to 0.39. D. 0.00 to 0.09. Number 9. A dataset of age versus number of daily steps shows R is negative 0.92. This means A. Older people tend to take fewer steps. Older people tend to make more steps. Letter C. No relationship exists. Letter D. Younger people and older people have equal steps. Number 10. If R is 0.15, the relationship between two variables is considered A. Strong positive, B. Moderate positive, C. Weak positive, D. No relationship. Number 11. If persons are values always fall between A. Negative 2 and positive 1, B. Negative 1 and positive 1, C. 0 and positive 1, D. Negative 0.5 and positive 5. Number 12. Which of the following values indicates the weakest correlation? A. Negative 0.02, B. 0.10, C. Negative 0.50, D. 0.85. Number 13. A correlation coefficient of R equal to 1.00 means A. Perfect negative linear relationship, B. Perfect positive linear relationship, C. Nonlinear correlation, nonlinear relationship. Letter D. Moderate relationship. Number 14. What is likely degree of correlation if fuel use and distance traveled produce R is equal to 0.99? Letter A. Weak negative, B. Strong positive, C. No correlation, D. Moderate positive. Number 15. If the correlation between car and resale value is R equal to negative 0.88, this implies letter A. Older cars have higher resale value. Letter B. Older cars have lower resale value. Letter C. No relationship exists. Letter D. Resale value increases with age. Number 16. Which interpretation is correct if R is equal to 0.55 between advertising expense and sales volume? Letter A. Weak positive correlation. Letter B. Moderate positive correlation. Letter C. Strong positive correlation. D. No correlation. Number 17. A researcher finds R is equal to negative 0.70 between distance from school and punctuality. This means A. The farther students live, the more punctual they are. The farther students live, the less punctual they are. Letter C. No relationship exists. Letter D. Students closer to school are always late. Number 18. If R is negative, what does this mean? Letter A. One variable increases while the other decreases. Letter B. Both variables increase together. Letter C. Both variables decrease together. Letter D. The relationship is strong, positive. Number 19. Which of the following best represents a perfect negative correlation? Letter A. R is equal to 1.00. Letter B. R is equal to 0.00. C. R is equal to negative 1.00. Letter D. R is equal to negative 0.50. Number 20. If study time and GPA show R is equal to 0.65, the best conclusion is more study time tends to be associated with higher GPA. More study time tends to be associated with lower GPA. GPA is not related to study time, that's letter C. And then letter D, study time has no effect on GPA. The answer key for our quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 13, measuring the strength of relationship with persons are correlation. For numbers 1 to 5. Number 6 to number 10. Numbers 11 to 15. number 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.